For this sample we will be looking at the traditional needle turn applique. Needle turning allows you to have this very nice smooth edge, and by its nature it also gives you quite a nice texture. You can see here it's almost as if it's already quilted. To achieve this, we need to cut our applique shape approximately 1/4 of an inch larger, allowing for that seam allowance. And then I've taken my shape and I've stitched, or just tacked really, 1/2 an inch within. And then to start, sometimes it's easier to actually finger press a little bit, because you can get a feel for your cloth and then make allowances for that quite stiff fabric that you're needing to turn. And basically we're taking that edge and we're pushing it against that tacked stitched line, so we know that we're going to keep the shape and it's going to be very neat. Match your thread if you can to the shape that you're appliquing, and nice knot on the end, perfectly okay, and then it's just a slip stitch to hold it in place. Keep it as small as you can, but the nice thing is that you can't see the stitches, so you can be quite comfortable with it. And we're just going to work around the outside edge. This will give you a firm applique shape.